Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's Kitchen. Today we're going to make hot and sour soup Chinese takeaway style. There is an authentic hot and sour soup in China, but the taste of the ingredients will be different. To get all the ingredients a Chinese takeaway hot and sour soup includes will require lots of effort. For example, they always have char siu available to them, but it's unlikely you have this at home. And for this very reason, I have excluded char siu from this recipe, but the texture and the flavours are still there. So let's get started. You will need 250 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1/8 of a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/8 of a teaspoon of hot chili powder or more if you like it spicy, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 30 grams of shrimp, 40 grams of cooked chicken, 50 grams of frozen peas, 50 grams of bamboo shoots, and half a beaten egg. First, let's cut the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs that I have pan fried with salt and pepper. A Chinese takeaway will usually use boiled chicken breasts. Cut them down to short strips so they fit on your spoon without falling off, which obviously is the best size to have them. Then moving on to the bamboo shoots, again slice and then halve them for the perfect size. If you find any that are still a bit long, like this guy, cut it in half. Before we assemble the soup, add some water to the corn flour and leave it to one side. Add the rest of the water into the pan and turn on the heat. Then add in most of the ingredients: the peas, the shrimps, the chicken, the bamboo shoots, vinegar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. If it gets stuck in the little bowl, add some of the soup to get it out. Only a tiny bit of dark soy sauce is needed for colour. Chili powder, and the same if it gets stuck, mix some soup in. Give it a stir and bring to a boil. Taste it and see if there's anything else you need to add. I added salt. Mix that in and then give it another taste. You can personalise this as much as you want. Some people like it really sour, really hot, or a mixture of both, or a milder version. Once it's boiled and you're happy with the flavour, take it off the heat to add the corn flour. Mix the corn flour and water so it becomes one and then pour it into the pan. Give it a good mix before you turn the heat back on. Once you have put it back on the heat, it should start becoming thicker. Mix it and bring to a boil. While it's still boiling, pour in the beaten egg and give it a vigorous stir so it doesn't clump together. Now we're ready to serve. So here's my hot and sour soup. My recipe is enough to make 2 of these Chinese rice bowls. You can include other ingredients as well, so if you have char siu you can add that, but also carrots and mushrooms are popular in Chinese takeaway soups as well. This is quick to make, and actually the ingredients are quite simple if you're flexible, and if you do have leftover chicken, I suggest you try this recipe at home. If there's anything you'd like to see me make, please let me know. This video was requested by my friend Michelle. I hope you liked my video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!